Bad lighting, messy storage, dated furniture, no one wants to work in an office like that. IKEA for Business wants to help you create a better everyday life at work. Try these 5 tips. Number 1, choose colours wisely. Orange, red and yellow are energising. Blue and green are calming. Keep that balance of both stimulating and soothing shades. 2, embrace the informal meeting zone. Comfortable armchairs, open bookcases and mood lighting can help teams feel more connected and productive. 3, let the natural light flow. If you can, replace walls with glass partitions. Choose low storage units and room dividers to keep your space light and airy. 4, clean up the cords. Take a look at lamps with inbuilt chargers for phones and tablets instead. 5, think ergonomically. Adjustable desks and ergonomic chairs can drastically improve how we feel at work. Join the IKEA Business Network for free to get access to the IKEA for Business team, member benefits and discounted space solutions. Head to ikea.com.au/business.